19 fractions multiplied together. Looks like a nightmare, right? But this entire product collapses down to one clean number. And I mean collapses, like dominoes falling in two directions at once. Let's see how. Here is our product 1 minus 1 over k squared for every k from 2 to 20. If we tried multiplying these out directly, we'd be here all day. But there's a much smarter move hiding in that expression. And it starts with a factoring trick you have probably seen before, just never in this context. 1 minus 1 over k squared is really just k squared minus 1 all over k squared. And k squared minus 1 is a difference of squares. It factors into k minus 1 times k plus 1. So every single term in our product secretly splits into two pieces. One that looks slightly smaller than k and one that looks slightly bigger. Once every term splits into a smaller piece and a bigger piece, we can separate out the product into two separate chains. One made up of smaller pieces and one made up of bigger pieces. And each of those chains telescopes on itself. Watch what happens when we pull them apart. The first chain is k minus 1 over k, running from 2 up to 20. 1/2 times 2/3 times 3/4 all the way up. Every numerator matches the denominator right before it. So it all cancels, except the very first one and the very last 20. That leaves us with 1 over 20. The second chain is k plus 1 over k. 3 halves, 4/3, 5/4, and so on. Same cancellation, just shifted. This time we are left with 21 over 2. Now we just multiply what survived. 1 over 20 times 21 halves gives us 21 over 40. That's it. 19 fractions collapsed into a single clean number. And this wasn't a coincidence built for the number 20. If you run this same product up to any n, you always get n plus 1 over 2n. Which means as n grows towards infinity, this product creeps closer and closer to exactly 1/2. Never quite reaching it, but getting arbitrarily close. And that is the beauty of a telescoping product. Two chains of cancellation, running in opposite directions, collapsing almost down to nothing. If you enjoyed this puzzle and want to see more, subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.